A group of Hungarian officers stand at a field table and study a map. 1942. Bombay Squadron personnel, Weeks from Barbados and Flight Sergeant Joseph from Trinidad. Finnish soldier in barracks 1942. Actress Beatrice Little, who worked tirelessly to entertain troops, is presented with an honorary naval cap by a group of British sailors in Gibraltar. Portrait of a Soviet soldier smoking a cigarette 1942. Rhodesian troops of the 60th Royal Rifles Corps train with smoke mortars. Female soldiers with gas masks. Date between 1939 and 1945. War photographer,